What is up guys, Sam Pack here and welcome back to the channel where we talk about tech, gear, and keyboards. We're back again with another honest tech reviews where I give you guys my honest thoughts and opinions on a product. So today we're going to be reviewing the Boundary Prima backpack, and we'll be reviewing this backpack with photographers and videographers in mind. And just so you guys know, I bought this backpack with my own money, so Boundary is not sponsoring this video. So I bought this backpack about 2 months ago and I absolutely fell in love with it. I've been a fan of Boundary Supply ever since they released their errant backpack on their Kickstarter, and I've always been searching for a nice everyday backpack to look stylish and also has a lot of functionality. And the reason why I stuck with Boundary was because of their ability to be modular, and meaning whatever situation I wanted to use their backpack, I can change things around and make it work for my needs. So what I mean about being modular is that you can install different storage inserts in the backpack depending on how much gear you plan on bringing. The backpack comes with a small storage insert, enough for a camera and a lens, and this can be detached if you want to carry it separately if you wanted to. You can also buy other storage components for the Prima. I purchased this bigger storage insert that converts the whole entire backpack into a camera. It comes with a bunch of dividers so that you can customize the insert for your needs. And what's great about this is it connects with the side pocket so you can have easy access for your camera. Also, I like this top pocket so that you can put some ND filters or other things in there. And speaking of more storage, this backpack comes with a cable sleeve / pouch. This was a game changer for me because in the errant backpack, I would normally carry this pouch for all the cables I would need on the go. And I'm super excited that the Prima comes with a pouch like this. So it has 2 zipper pouches with additional straps to hold the cables or other things like pens. And there's a place where you can put your tablet or 13-inch laptop as well. There are also a bunch of different zipper pockets all around the backpack, and there is an RFID pocket for your wallet or passport in the side pocket. So for me, one of the best parts of this backpack is the magnetic locking system it has in the front of the backpack. It's so oddly satisfying to me when you detach the lock every time. And those of you who travel with this backpack, you can easily slide it into your luggage and carry it with you. So the backpack itself is kind of heavy. Without anything inside of it, it's already about 3 pounds, and I'm assuming it's because of all the high quality materials it uses. So it's well worth the trade-off because the backpack is made to be a tank. I wouldn't recommend carrying this backpack for long periods of time, especially if you're carrying a lot of gear. When I went hiking with this backpack, I thought I was gonna die. I think my bag weighed about around 50 pounds or so, and even halfway through the hike, I was instantly regretting carrying all of this gear with me. The shoulder straps don't have enough cushion on it, so it feels like the straps are really digging into your shoulders, and the waist strap is also pretty small, so the weight distribution into the waist is not really helping at all. So if you're planning on not wearing the backpack for long term, this backpack is fine, but if you need something to just transport your gear from a photo shoot to a video shoot, then this is no problem. So overall, I still love this backpack. It's my main everyday carry backpack. If you're thinking about solely just using this for a camera bag, I would not recommend it. If you're looking for something modular and not looking to carry a lot of gear, honestly, this backpack is really perfect. But what are your guys' thoughts on this backpack? I'd love to hear your guys' comments down below. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.